Hey everyone, quick video today on using properties of operations to help us simplify expressions. Now, obviously, first thing is important. We are using the calculator to plug this in, right? I mean, do we need it? No, not really. But is it helpful? Yes. Is it faster? Probably yes, right? So we'll work that process out. Now, we can still use the operations and the properties of those operations to kind of split this apart to make it look a little nicer. You will see that on a quiz or a test. Just so you're aware. So that's why I wanted to make a video on it. Okay, so what's happening here? I got two mixed numbers. I got a -3 as the whole number in front and a -1 as the whole number in front. We can use our properties, both associative and commutative, to help us look at this a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the -3 and the -1 away from these two fractions, all right? And what that is going to do is that's going to help us commute a different way to solve this, right? And we are going to associate these two numbers with each other. So I'm going to take the -3 and the -1 and associate it together. The 2/5 and 3/5, which are still negative, by the way, are going to come to another point here. So -2/5 and -3/5. Now, what's going to happen is I can piece these things together and make it a logical explanation. So -3 minus 1 is -4. -2/5 minus 3/5 is -5/5. And -5/5 is -1. So we've got -4 minus 1, which is going to be -5. Period, end of story, done, easy peasy. Let's do one more. Here, I've got a -3 whole number, a +9 whole number, and a -4 whole number. I'm going to associate those three numbers together. I've got a -3, a +9, and a -4. Now, I'm going to associate my two fractions together. They're still negative, right? That's a -3, and that's a -2/7, right? And that negative kind of takes the place for both of these. So I'm going to put a -2/7 over here and a -5/7 over here, right? I am associating the fractions with each other, and I am associating the whole numbers with each other. So -3 plus 9 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. -2/7 minus 5/7 is -7/7. And -7/7 is 1. So this is 2 minus 1, which is 1. Done deal. This also works with multiplication and the distributive property, but we'll work on that tomorrow. See you later.